Good morning. Today we'll perform a gram staining and a Z staining. For this, our requirement will be sample, nichrome slope, burner, glass slide, and a marker. Firstly, we will perform a Z stain. All you have to do under a biosafety cabinet, take a clean glass slide, make it grease free by moving it right to left 13 to 14 times. Now take a marker, label the glass slide. Take a nichrome loop, sterile it over the burner until it becomes red. Now leave it for cooling. Take a sample. You have to take a thick part, not to take a saliva if you are taking a sputum sample. Take a loop full of a sediment part, put it on a glass slide. Make a smear. The smear should be oval shape, 2 to 3 cm long. Do not touch the edges of your slide and it should be a thin. Allow the smear to air dry for 15 to 30 minutes. After it, the smear will pass over the slide for its fixing 3 to 4 times. Sterile the nichrome loop. The smear is ready. Let's start the Z stain. Put the slide on the staining glass rod. Take a carbon fission. Pour it over the slide. After this, take a spirit lamp and heat underneath until the vapors start rising. Do not allow carbon fission to boil or the slide to dry. Continue the process for 5 minutes. Acid path bacilli containing a thick fatty acid layer called mycolic acid in the cell wall. By heating, this mycolic acid layer gets melted and the dye penetrates in the cell wall. Do a intermediate heating. Wash both the sides of a slide with the tap water. Cover the slide with 20% sulfuric acid. The red color of your preparation changes to yellowish brown. Wash the slide. The slide should become a transparent. Here we see a slightly pink color, so we have to add add sulfuric acid once again. The concentration of H2SO4 varies for different microorganisms. After 10 minutes, we will wash the slide. Here we see the slide become fully transparent. Now take a counter stain, that is methylene blue, pour it for 15 to 20 seconds. Wash with water. Now the slide is ready to examine under the microscope. We will examine it under 100x oil immersion. Here you can see the bacilli.
Next is your gram staining. First of all, take a clean glass slide, then make it grease free by moving left to right 10 to 12 times by flaming, and mark the slide with glass marker. Now take a sample tube, open it and sterile the mouth of tube, and take a sterile nichrome loop until it become a red. Transfer a loop full sample with the sterile nichrome loop over the glass slide. And sterile the nichrome loop by flaming it. Now make a smear. It should be oval shaped and 3 to 5 centimeter. It should not touch the edges of the glass slide. Smear should be thin and leave it the smear for 10 to 15 minutes or air dry. After 10 to 15 minutes, fix the dry smear by passing the slide 3 to 4 times through the flame quickly with smear side facing up. The smear is said to be fixed when it is just tolerable on the dorsum of hand. Now place the slide on the staining glass rods and take a crystal boilet. Cover the smear with crystal boilet and leave for the 1 minute. After 1 minute, wash the glass slide with running tap water. And cover it with gram iodine solution for 1 minute. After 1 minute, wash the gram iodine solution by running tap water and take a decolorizer acetone. Wash the slide with acetone for 2 to 3 seconds. After the decolorization, cover the smear with counterstain safranin for 30 seconds. Wash it with running tap water. Now slide is ready to examine under the microscope at 100x.
Black